Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to make a sprite to move from one direction to another one and dropping the backdrop. So our task first have these sprites and blocks. So this one is motion block. This block enables our sprite or our object to move from one place to another. Maybe it is just rotating, turning, moving forward, backward, like that. So this one it shows looks like it have to look like maybe it will transmit the message, it will do something. That is how it is said to be. Then this sound, it will sound when it will reach. So this means that we use sound if we want to produce any sound, something like that. Events, it gives us how to control and how we can control it. We're going to be seeing them, all of them. So they are different blocks like sensing, operators, variables, and by blocks where you will add the URs. So let's go to our work today. Today I'm going to first select the backdrop. Backdrop is here. Excuse me. So maybe I'm going to use this one. And then sprite, maybe I don't want to use this sprite. I will just come down here and pick another sprite. Anyone you want, you just pick anyone you want. Then maybe for me, I'm going to pick like let me come down here to get what I want to pick. Let me pick one of this one here. Let me see. Okay, let me pick this one. You can see it is here. First of all, I will come to the events. Means that when I click this green flag, it will immediately start to do what I'm going to put there. So let me go to the motion. This motion, as I told you, it will show where it will start from. So I will come and press at least during the location of our sprite, we use coordinates as you are seeing here. This is x axis and y axis. So which means when you move this one, it will give you the exact axis that it is where it is standing. Which means our axis from where it is stand, this one, it is x negative 25 and negative 58 to y negative 2. Which means if I want it to start from here, I will code this code to put there in my coding project. So I will just come here so that when I click the flag, it will go to this coordinate. Here you will put negative 138. Then y it will be 133. And then if I want, I may also set size, saying that if to reach here, let it be maybe 80 on size, like that. So if I click on this flag, it will return to 80. You can see it is 80. So then I want it to move maybe from here up to here and come this way and also go that side. I will just come and say go to the motion block and bring that grid. You can see I've brought grid, so I will bring it here so that I want it when it reach here, that means it will be gridding. So I also record this coordinate negative 186 and 71. Then I can say it will go there in 1 second maybe, or 0.5 seconds. So I also want to come here I put it here like this, then I go and bring my grading and record what? And record the coordinates here, which will be this one. They are the same because I have brought it, I have pressed it here. So I also give it like 0.5 so that it can move faster. Then I also want it to come this way. I will bring it here and then say green here. You can see that the coordinates have also coded here, maybe in 0.8 maybe seconds. So when it reach there, I will just make sure that it have to disappear. Maybe I want it to disappear and I want it to start from here. So if you want to disappear, I will first come and bring here on the roots block, come down and see the show. I will start it here so that whenever I click the flag, it will be displayed, and when as it was shown, and when it is reached there, it will be also hide. So let's click our flag and we check. You can see my sprite has disappeared. So it was like that. That is how they can do it. Thank you for watching our videos and subscribe. Remember to like and comment. Thank you for watching our videos.